not pick up your phone ringing. Your phone going to go to voicemail.
ก็นี่
人无不怕困难，冒险是可以的传统。前方好汉在一半，英雄好汉在一半。